because the whole story of Star Wars is Campbell's atonement with the Father stage. That's what the whole story is at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And think of that moment where like Luke is trying to connect with his father and his father's deflecting and doesn't know. And Luke's wondering if he's going to get anywhere, right? And then there's that moment where he realizes that it did all matter. It all did mean something. There was meaning in every choice that Luke was made, even when Darth Vader deflected and didn't respond, right? And that whole idea of it's too late for me, son, and just the tragedy of recognizing that like we have this story that we want and we're trying to find meaning in it, right? And what is it like if we just push a little further? And seeing that ounce of humanity gave me so much compassion for him. And it kept me going. It kept me holding on to that hope and not going to the dark side.